Hello, Professor. So this is Group 1 of COMP216, Section 4. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to demo the application that we have built for our group project. So this is the web application that provides service to predict probability of a stolen bicycle to be returned using logistic regression model. So you might ask, what is that logistic regression model? So basically this is the artificial intelligence technology that people are using out there in the industry to do the predictive analysis. It is machine learning technology, right? So basically it mimics the ability of human to learn from experience, to learn from data. So in other words, if we feed the model with more data, the more data we feed to the model, the better result it's gonna give. So that is how it works. So this model is built and trained using data retrieved from Toronto Police Department. So this is where we get the data. So here in this website, they provide data of bicycle theft that happened during the period of time between 2014 to 2019. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna download the data from that time period and then divide it into two data sets. One data set is from 2014 to 2018 to train. We're going to use that data set to train the model. And then the other data set is the data of the year of 2019. We're going to use, we're going to run the model on that data set and see how accurate our model is performing. So let me show you how the data sets look like. Here is the user input file. Basically, this is the data sets of 2019. And you can see over here the occurrence year is 2019. We have longitude and latitude of the occurrence location. We have city, we have location type, we have bike make, we have bike model, we have color, we have like status. So we're gonna run the model based on this data file, and it's gonna insert another column called predict in here with the predicted data, and then we're gonna compare the predicted data with the status. Status here is the actual status, right? So it's gonna be stolen or recovered or unknown, things like that. So let's see how our model is working. Let's go back to our application. Then I'm gonna walk you through the functionality and the technologies that we are using. So our website is built on Flask framework. It is a web development framework built in Python. And for logistic regression model, we built this model using sklearn library. That is a library built in Python as well to provide functionality methods to build and train regression model. right? So everything we are using here is in Python. So here we have an option to upload file. So we're going to upload the user input file, which means the dataset of 2019. We're going to upload that, and after we click submit, server will run the model on that data file and return the result here for user to download. Let's go ahead and download it. Save. Let's open the file. Okay, right here, as you can see, the status has been converted to integer. Like 0 stand for stolen and 1 stand for recovered, right? And predicted result here, 0 stand for stolen and 1 stand for recovered. Let me filter. So in the year of 2019, there were 18 bicycles have been returned. So this is our result, our predicted result. So we predict that in the year of 2019 we have nine bicycles to be returned. So the accuracy we have is roughly 50%. So I would say it is not good, but like it's acceptable, right? It's 50%. So that is how our application work. So that is how we utilize the logistic regression model to provide the service to predict the probability of a stolen bicycle. So that's another option for retrieving the model score. So basically, we run the model, we train the model, and we test the model like 10 times, and we evaluate the score. And when we get the mean score equal to 0.9x6, that is the score that we get. Okay, so that's it for the demonstration of our application. Thank you for listening.